Hi, I'm Jill Ray, owner and principal designer of Jill Ray Designs in Ridgefield, Connecticut. Let's talk about styling bookshelves. There are 3 elements I'll share that will help you style your bookshelf. Bundling things in sets of 3s, variety, and balance. Let's talk about how we can do that. Bundling things on your shelf in sets of 3s, odd numbers are just aesthetically pleasing. Different heights and even different objects. A set of 3 can be anything from a candlestick, a vase, and a small little sculpture. Let's talk about variety and balance together. If you happen to have a bookshelf that has adjustable shelves, it's nice to have a variety in the heights of the shelves. The variety will allow for larger objects to be able to fit in, smaller objects, and it just is a little bit more aesthetically pleasing to the eye. However, balance is also important. So if you have, say, 2 bookshelves flanking a fireplace, you would want to have the same balance on each side. So the same shelf location on each side. Or if you're going to be super creative, then the same balance but in the reverse.